You booked the ticket. You're excited for your destination. But now you're facing the one part of travel everyone dreads. The long-haul economy flight. Cramped seats, dry air, no legroom, no sleep. Is it even survivable? The answer is yes, with the right strategy. Welcome back to Epic Voyage, where we give you everything you need to travel smarter and better. Today we're revealing 12 must-know tips to survive long flights in economy. These are real battle-tested travel hacks to help you arrive feeling refreshed, not wrecked. And stick around to the end because the final tip is a big one, something you should never do on a plane. Most people don't even realize it's a problem until it's too late. But trust me, this could save you a lot of discomfort and even embarrassment. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on the best travel tips and hacks from Epic Voyage. Let's jump into it. Chapter 1. Choose the right seat, the smart way. Don't wait until check-in to pick your seat. It's one of the most important decisions you can make. If you sleep better against a wall, go for the window. If you're up frequently or like easy access to the bathroom, the aisle is your friend. But don't stop there. Use tools like Seat Guru or airline seat maps to see exactly where you're sitting. Some economy seats have less recline, limited legroom, or are placed next to the galley or bathroom. These can ruin your flight experience. Seats closer to the front often get meals earlier and experience less turbulence. If you're traveling with a companion, try booking the window and aisle in a 3-seat row. You might luck out and get the whole row to yourself. If your airline allows, consider bidding for an upgrade to premium economy. Sometimes it's surprisingly affordable and totally worth it for flights over 8 hours. Chapter 2. Hydration starts before you fly. Airplane air is drier than most deserts, with humidity levels often below 20%. That's why you feel thirsty, your skin dries out, and your lips crack mid-flight. To fight back, you need to start hydrating before you even get on the plane. Drink extra water the day before your flight, and avoid dehydrating drinks like alcohol or caffeine right before boarding. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it at a station or cafe before takeoff. Some airlines now let you refill mid-flight, but don't rely on that alone. Pack a hydration booster like an electrolyte tablet or hydration packet. These help your body absorb fluids more efficiently and can keep energy levels up when you'd otherwise feel wiped out. Staying hydrated isn't just for comfort. It helps reduce jet lag, improves focus when you land, and keeps your immune system strong in a dry, germy cabin. Chapter 3. Dress for the cabin climate. One moment it's freezing, the next it's hot and stuffy. Welcome to the roller coaster that is airplane climate control. That's why smart travelers dress in layers. Start with breathable base layers like cotton or moisture-wicking fabric. Add a sweater or hoodie and bring a lightweight jacket you can use as a blanket if needed. And don't forget about your feet. Airplane floors are cold, so socks are essential, and compression socks are even better. They help with circulation, reduce swelling, and decrease the risk of blood clots. Avoid jeans or anything tight around your waist. Instead, go for stretchable fabrics and loose-fitting clothing. And always bring something with pockets. You'll thank yourself when you need to keep a passport, boarding pass, or phone easily accessible. Chapter 4. Bring real food and snacks you actually want to eat. Airline food has come a long way, but it's still hit or miss, especially in economy. Meals are often loaded with sodium, which dehydrates you and leaves you bloated and sluggish. Eat a balanced meal before you fly, something hearty but not too heavy. Think grilled chicken, rice and vegetables. Bring your own snacks, nuts, protein bars, dried fruit or sandwiches packed in a Ziploc bag. Not only will it save you money, but you'll have something you actually like when the in-flight meal tray fails to impress. If you have dietary preferences, request a special meal like low-sodium vegetarian or diabetic. These are usually served first, and they're often fresher than the standard option. Chapter 5. Build a sleep routine that works at 35,000 feet. Let's be honest, sleeping in economy is not easy, but it is possible if you plan ahead. The goal is to mimic your at-home sleep environment as closely as you can. Bring a supportive neck pillow, a contoured eye mask, and noise-cancelling headphones or foam earplugs. Don't rely on the airline's thin blanket. Bring your own travel-sized one or a large scarf. Before you sleep, avoid blue light for at least 30 minutes. Put your phone away and skip that last Netflix episode. Instead, read a paperback book or listen to calming audio. Set your watch to the destination time zone and try to align your sleep with that schedule. Some travelers take melatonin or other natural sleep aids, but always test these before flying to make sure you react well to them. Chapter 6. Stretch, walk, move. Your life might depend on it. Deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, is a real risk on flights longer than 4 hours. That's when blood clots form due to long periods of immobility. But with a little planning, you can reduce that risk dramatically. Set a timer on your phone to remind you to get up every 90 minutes. Walk the aisle, do calf raises, flex your ankles, and stretch your arms. Even standing by the lavatory and doing light yoga movements can help. While seated, avoid crossing your legs. Move your feet in circles and flex your thighs regularly. If your feet don't touch the floor properly, use your carry-on bag as a footrest. Chapter 7. Sanitize like a pro traveler. Planes are germ factories. Tray tables, seatbelt buckles, touchscreens, and armrests all harbor bacteria and viruses. And no, they're not thoroughly cleaned between flights. As soon as you sit down, wipe down all surfaces with antibacterial wipes. Don't forget your overhead air vent and touchscreen if you have one. Use hand sanitizer before and after meals and after bathroom visits. Carry a few extra masks and some tissues. You don't want to be caught sneezing into your sleeve mid-flight. If you're traveling during cold and flu season, go the extra mile with a nasal spray or moisturizing balm to protect your nasal passages from drying out. Chapter 8. Be your own entertainment system. Don't count on the airline's screen to keep you entertained. Some are outdated, glitchy, or offer little more than a few old movies. Download everything before your flight. Shows, audiobooks, podcasts, games. Bring a Kindle or tablet with your favorite e-books. And don't forget a high-capacity power bank. You may not have access to a USB port, and your devices might be your only lifeline to sanity during a 12-hour haul. Want to get productive? Load up language apps, travel guides for your destination, or even start journaling your trip. The time can fly by when you're immersed in something meaningful. Chapter 9. Trick your body into adapting to the new time zone. Jet lag isn't just about being tired. It can mess with your digestion, mood, and sleep schedule for days. The trick is to get ahead of it. Start adjusting your sleep pattern 2 days before your flight. Go to bed earlier or later depending on your destination. Once on board, behave as if you're already there. If it's night in your destination city, avoid caffeine and try to sleep. If it's morning, keep yourself awake even if you feel groggy. After landing, try to get sunlight exposure as soon as possible. Natural light is one of the most powerful tools for resetting your body clock. Chapter 10. Your hygiene kit, the instant energy boost. Feeling disgusting on a plane is half the reason why travel feels so draining. The solution? Your personal hygiene kit. Bring a small TSA-compliant bag with travel-sized toothpaste, toothbrush, face wipes, lip balm, hand cream, deodorant, and breath mints. You'd be amazed what brushing your teeth mid-flight can do for your energy levels and confidence. Want to go one step further? Pack facial mist, essential oils like lavender for stress relief, or cooling wipes for a quick refresh. Chapter 11. Respect is the most underrated survival tip. Flying economy isn't easy for anyone, but you can make it better for yourself and everyone around you by simply being considerate. Don't lean your seat all the way back without warning the person behind you. Don't blast your videos or music. Share the armrest. Keep your shoes on, your voice down, and your space tidy. Smile and say thank you to the flight attendants. Be patient with parents traveling with kids. If everyone just showed a little empathy, the skies would feel a lot more friendly. Chapter 12. Never go barefoot on a plane. This one is non-negotiable. Never ever go barefoot on a plane. The floor might look clean, but it's anything but. Spilled drinks, vomit residue, bathroom splashback, dirt tracked in from thousands of passengers. You're walking on all of it when you ditch your shoes. Even just socks won't protect you. Always wear shoes, or at the very least, thick, clean travel slippers. And especially in the lavatory, keep your footwear on. You really don't want to find out the hard way what that puddle on the floor really is. Long-haul economy flights don't have to be a test of endurance. With the right preparation, mindset, and a few insider tricks, you can not only survive the journey, you can actually enjoy it. Which of these tips will you try on your next flight? Or do you have a secret of your own that helps you power through 12 hours in the air? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your best strategies. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone flying soon. And don't forget to subscribe to Epic Voyage for more tips, tricks, and travel wisdom that helps you get the most out of every trip. We've got new videos every week, and the next one might just be the one that saves your vacation. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.